social media call to action in northern Kentucky leads to a fast response that's going to help flood victims living 200 miles away.
Yeah, thanks to so many of you. So a network of volunteers came together today at a local barbecue restaurant to pack up relief supplies for this urgent road trip. WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes live for us in Florence tonight with all the details. Hi, Todd.
Hi, Sheree and Mike. Yeah, due to devastation in places like Pike County, Kentucky, Smoking This and That's ribs and brisket are taking a back seat this weekend to a fast-paced push to help desperate families south and east of here.
We're Kentucky Homeland Heroes. We're all veterans and first responders. We do natural disaster relief work.
Rushing to help, volunteers turned Boone County's Smokin' This and That barbecue into a staging area for relief supplies today. Supplies that will soon be heading to flooded out families in eastern Kentucky.
Hard to believe how many people actually came out to do this. There's over $20,000 worth of stuff out here right now.
The relief effort started when Guy Cummins' wife, Mandy, noticed scenes of devastation online.
And I saw a few of the flooding posts from Pikeville. And I don't know, I had this gut-wrench feeling. So I put a post out there and said, hey, Kentucky, this is our home. Who's got something happening?
The who turned out to be Mandy herself, with help from longtime supporters of the restaurant who know the value of showing up during a crisis.
Yeah, we put our foot down and say we're going to do something. It's on like Donkey Kong,
I don't know that we got a choice this time.
No.
It's shovels and rakes and mops and buckets, and we're bringing them in here, everything that they were asking for.
Also heading south, food for people and pets.
Pets are a comfort to a lot of people, and in a situation like this, in a crisis, their comfort needs their basic supplies taken care of as well.
Joe Cross is glad he can lean on his experience as a Marine to lend a hand.
I'm real proud to be a part of the VFW and American Legion, all the work we're doing. We're sending checks down to be distributed to families their needs.
All of the support means the world to Mandy Cummins.
This is the Elks. This is you guys. I'm just taking it.
This is the Florence Elks. They donated $10,000, and this is what we bought from Home Depot. So cleanup equipment. This was number one. I was overwhelmed, as I am right now, just thinking about it. To fill a truck like that all happened in less than 24 hours.
Pike County, here we come! Woo!
Yeah, really enthusiastic crew. Of course, they know the devastation families are experiencing in the Pike County area. You saw the U-Haul there. It's still parked outside the restaurant, but I can tell you the Kentucky Homeland Heroes trailer, it's going to be in front of the Independence Kroger store tomorrow starting at 8 a.m. It'll be there till 5 p.m. collecting more donated items, primarily food and baby items. So keep that in mind. If you have a chance to stop by, please do so. Then all of those relief supplies will start making the trek to the city of Pikeville. Reporting live tonight here in Boone County, Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.